What's up, guys? Today we're gonna talk about the best Valentine's gifts for the woman you love. What's up, guys? Welcome back to gentslounge. I'm George. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. It really helps us out. Today we are here talking about the best Valentine's Day gifts for the woman in your life. So let's start off with the basics. First up, flowers are a must for Valentine's Day. Now, if you're going to get flowers, you gotta upgrade your game a little bit. You can't just go to the grocery store and pick up some, $5 flowers. You wanna make sure you get a nice bouquet. So it is Valentine's Day. You gotta go above and beyond and go the little extra. Which brings us to number 2 on our list, chocolate. So Valentine's Day, flowers and chocolate go hand in hand. But like I said, do a little more than just going to your local store and picking up a basic box of chocolates. Find a local chocolatier or someone that's doing specialty chocolates and up your game a little bit. I'll have a link to 2 of my favorite chocolatiers that are available online in the description down below if you want to check them out. Moving on to number 3 on the list, jewelry, which is where today's sponsor, JamesAllen.com, comes into play. If you haven't heard of James Allen, they are the fastest growing retailer of engagement rings out there. Now, we have worked with James Allen in the past for some engagement ring videos and some wedding content that we've done. I think about 3 or 4 of my friends have actually used James Allen for their engagement rings, but JamesAllen.com does more than just engagement rings. If you're looking for diamond earrings, pendants, tennis bracelets, they have what you're looking for. Now, the beauty of James Allen, depending on your budget, they also do earth-made or lab-made diamonds. So lab-made diamonds are the exact same material, chemical makeup, and shininess of your earth-made diamonds, but they are 30% cheaper. So depending on which route you want to go, James Allen has both options for you. So if you want to check out JamesAllen.com, click the link in the description below. If you click that link, you will actually get an automatic 25% off your order. So check the link in the description, check out JamesAllen.com. The beauty about shopping online for jewelry is, 1, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So once you order something, you get it in. If you don't like it, you can return it. So you get that peace of mind, but also that they are online. You're not just going to one jewelry store that has a limited supply of diamonds. This is a massive store that has a ton of diamonds to choose from, and you'll be able to pick the right one for you at the best price possible. So moving on to number 4 on the list, treat your significant other to a spa day. So massage, facial, mani-pedi, whatever you can splurge on for that to make your significant other feel pampered and appreciated is going to go a long way. And honestly, out of this whole list, except for the diamond jewelry, I think this is what my wife would prefer every day of the week, not just Valentine's Day, because she is a big fan of being pampered and loves a good massage. So if you can pamper your significant other, highly suggest a spa day. And if you want to roll it into what's number 5 on the list, even better. So moving on to number 5, plan a little vacation, staycation, quick one-day road trip where you stay overnight somewhere to give yourself some privacy, especially if you have some kids, get away from the kids, and you will be good to go. So my wife and I on Valentine's Day like to find something within Los Angeles, book a hotel room that we've never stayed in LA, hang out for the night, get dinner, have some drinks, and if the hotel happens to have a spa, get her pampered all in one go. So that pretty much wraps up the video. Hope that helps, guys. Comment down below how you're treating your significant other this year and what you would like from your significant other as a guy for Valentine's Day, because I'm gonna put together a guy's gift guide based on just what I would want for Valentine's Day coming out. So leave me some suggestions in the comments down below. Once again, thank you to JamesAllen.com for sponsoring this video. It is through sponsors like these that we can keep this channel running, and we really appreciate it. If you want to check out JamesAllen.com and get 25% off, click the link in the description below. Hope that helps, guys. Stay tuned for the next one. Cheers.